Welcome to another tofu adventure, guys. Oh, this one's going to be a tough one. We start off by descending from the top of the mountain, hopefully down to the creek. Hopefully I can get a glimpse of the waterfall from above, otherwise I'll surprise you guys with what I find. Okay, I can hear the creek. Not sure whether it's the creek or the waterfall. It's got to be one or the other. But bloody hell, it's a very... Ooh. Okay, there's a massive drop off here. Fuck. Alright, let me see if I can get a view first before I keep descending. Know exactly. Ooh, sugar. Oh, alright. This is very steep. I see the creek and a side tube, not the waterfall I'm after. Crazy. Oh man, looks like I have to go up the spur. Oh shit. It's gonna be harder than expected, guys. Alright, let's see if I can get down to the creek without killing myself first. Definitely trickier than expected. Oh, this is one of those descents where one wrong step you become part of the mountain permanently. Okay, I might have to find a different ascent. Just coming back up this way is going to be near impossible. Jesus Christ, it's so steep below me. Okay, let's keep going. This is one of those days where you wish you made better life choices. Okay, that was dodgy as F. You can see the creek now. I'm going the opposite direction, hopefully to reduce the gradient so I can reach. And there you go. There you go. Whew. Double check every grab, every handhold, every foothold, because there's loose rocks. But I think I'm clear. See? This goddamn cliff face was not on the topo map. Pain up the ass. Okay. This has to be the most dangerous hike I've done. You see this big ass tree here? Oof, I leaned on it to get down and it dislodged and I came tumbling down with it. Oof. Thank God it only went down like 3 meters. Ah, you dumbass. Oh, look at that. My hand's all crushed. My elbow is going to be throbbing for the rest of the hike. But I made it down to the creek. Oh. Alright. This hike's gonna hurt and I'm not even sure if I can make it to the waterfall. Decided to explore this creek a little bit before going backwards. Sorry, before retracing my steps and going up the bloody spur. Not the waterfall I'm after, but this was what was seen from above, and obviously I couldn't descend there, so I had to go the long way around, but then realised it's a multi-tier, so not too bad, not too bad at all. Alright, let's see if I can get to the middle section by scrambling up this one and veering over to the right. Fumbled my way up to the upper section, or the middle tier. The good news is I don't have to retrace my step back down the creek. I found a way up, and then hopefully I can stick to the creek and see where that leads me. Well, that's the goal for today. There's a little drop off there, but I can imagine after heavy rain, See, this little trickle here will become another flow and another one, and this whole rock face will be flowing with water. It's going to look beautiful. Whew. Worth revisiting. Next goal is to get above this and see what the creek has to offer. Seems that the creek is narrowing. Hopefully it opens up a bit. Oh, there's going to be a few of these. Every single time I've got to find a way around them. This is probably 3-4 meters, little cascade. Alright, I finally decided to leave that creek because I knew that's not the true creek I was chasing. So I just finished climbing up the spur and heading over to the next true creek. Hopefully it flows more and the descent down to the creek is easy. If not, I'm bloody screwed. I was going so well, but now I'm blocked by Lantanaville. Oh shit, I'm scared how much bush bashing I have to do. Oh god damn it. I don't want to lose elevation, but if I descend, then I have to reascend on the creek. Alright, let's cut across this mess. Hopefully it clears up. Pain up the ass. Oh man, this is bad, bad, bad. I am completely choked out no matter which direction I take. I can hear the creek, but getting down there is going to be, oh, it's going to be hell. Hell, hell, hell. Oh man. Alright, made it this far. Let's keep going. Holy effer, I am screwed. I was all over the ground trying to get past that mess, and then I come out and I'm greeted with Lantanaville. Okay, I have to find a different exit if I have any hope of getting out here before nightfall. Holy shit, I can't see what's below my foot. So overgrown. Alright, wish me luck. Man, I'll take anything at this stage. Anything except that bloody fucking Lantana. Oh crap. I think this is the creek. Holy shit, how am I going to get past this theta? Disappointed that this true creek is not flowing any better than the other one. Oh well, I made the effort, I might as well see it through. Okay. This waterfall sucks. Oh my gosh. I see an 8-10 meter waterfall in my way. Oh, no luck today. I don't know, if I have to struggle to get past this, I think I'm going to give up. This is too much. I got a long way back. Oh, yeah. God damn it. Look, a landslide here too. Let's get up there. This looks tough. I see a way around it. It's steep like hell.